So how many of you have seen these balloons on your wholesaler shelves and thought they look a little bit plain and possibly haven't bought them as a result? Please do not get put off by any of the photographs on any Grabo balloons, or in fact any balloon that's out there. You really need to see them inflated, because this little rainbow mirror globe is absolutely stunning when it's inflated. The picture does not do it justice. Apart from it being completely mirror reflective, which is a little bit freaky, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Works beautifully with the reflex and shiny and chrome balloons to make any addition for your designs. Here we've got it just in a nice little hat box with ribbons. We can vinyl personalise it to make it say exactly what you want, so it's a superb gift. Even more of a fun gift is when you undo the ribbons. These balloons have a really good liftability, so you can put quite a chunk of money on a money tail underneath. And it just makes a superb gift. They are held in little cellophane wrappers, and you can take the money out when you need to, keeping the design in place. The only stipulation I would say with any of these is please make sure you weight it. We've all seen the YouTube and Facebook videos where people have got the bubble balloons with the money chains and they open them in the garden and several £100 drifts off into space. We don't want that to happen to any of our customers, so make sure they're weighted, even if the weight of the money is actually keeping it down in the box. Don't risk it, pop a little weight on there and then attach your cash. But for a wonderful gift for anybody of any age, how much more would you like to receive that than just having some cash in an envelope? I know I would. And these mirror globes are absolutely beautiful for it. If for some reason you're wanting to keep with the theme of a party though, if you have a look at your wholesalers, these do come in a whole range of colours and finishes. From the satin ones to the metallic, from pastel pinks right the way through to beautiful dark blues, champagne colours and slate greys. There's one for everybody. So head down there, don't be put off by the fact that the packaging makes it look a little bit dull, because it really, really isn't. As with all Grabo balloons, they are absolutely stunning. So trust in Grabo and know full well that your balloons are going to be the best.